Topic: a subject of discussion or interest. The topic of the meeting is climate change. She chose a difficult topic for her essay. We discussed various topics during dinner. The lecture covered several important topics. This topic is very interesting to me.